When you try to install an application, and a window pops up that says this app has been blocked for your protection. It probably looks like you saw in the video, but here is our example app. So today I'm going to show you how to fix an administrator has blocked you from running this app. Maybe sometimes you are facing such a problem on your Windows 10. Such as this app has been blocked for your protection and administrator has blocked you from running this app. For more information, contact the administrator. Error can be appearing sometime when you try to install some new programs on your Windows 10. Also, it can be appearing after upgrading to the latest version of Windows 10. When you try to running an installed app on your PC, such as happen in my case, don't worry about it. Here's the best solution for this error. So let's go ahead and solve it. We're going to click close on the dialog to get rid of it and go to Windows 10 search box. Type in registry. You'll see this registry editor option come up. Right-click on that and choose Run as Administrator and allow it to make changes to your device by clicking Yes. So once you're in here, you may want to maximize it as it is here. And you're gonna go to the key local machine and make sure it's expanded little arrows to the left you can expand. We're gonna expand several other sections, starting with software. And after software, we're gonna go down to Microsoft, and then you'll have to scroll down a bit. Find Windows there. And after Find Window, we're gonna go down a bit. Find current version there. And you're gonna look for policies. Next, click on System. Alright, let's double-click on Enable LUA. Next, go to Value Data now. And we're going to replace the value 1 with 0, as you can see. Then click on OK. Now I suppose you may get this message in the bottom right-hand corner that says you must restart your computer. To turn off at User Account Control, click to restart this computer. Of course, you can just click there to restart your computer. Or close the window and just restart your computer, that's it. After restarting now, let's see what happens. Yeah, done, as you can see. I do suggest that you go back in and switch this from 0 back to 1. And that way, you know you've enabled yourself to install your driver or whatever it is, but by turning it back on, you re-enable the protection that can help prevent viruses and other things from just sneaking into your system. Alright, well, hopefully this has helped you solve your issue. We hope you will like it. Let us know your opinion. If you have any questions, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.